Are you planning to ship your car to Antigua? A1 Auto Transport makes it easy and stress-free. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of shipping a car to Antigua, from start to finish. Let's dive in. Antigua is a beautiful Caribbean island known for its tropical climate, stunning beaches, and vibrant culture. There are plenty of reasons you might want to ship a car to Antigua. Perhaps you're relocating for work or retirement, sending a car to a loved one, or bringing your car to your second home. Businesses and car dealerships also frequently ship vehicles for resale purposes. Whatever your reason, A1 Auto Transport is here to help. When shipping your car to Antigua, you typically have two main shipping options: roll-on/roll-off, RoRo, and container shipping. Let's take a look at both methods. RoRo shipping is the most popular and affordable choice. With RoRo, your vehicle is driven directly onto the ship, secured in place, and driven off once it reaches the port. RoRo shipping is ideal for running vehicles like cars, trucks, and SUVs. It's budget-friendly and efficient, but it does come with a few limitations. For instance, your vehicle must be operational, and you can't pack personal items inside the car. If you want extra protection for your vehicle, container shipping might be the better choice. Your car is placed inside a 20-foot or 40-foot container, which offers added protection from salt, weather, and humidity during the journey. This method is perfect for luxury, classic, or high-value vehicles. Plus, if you need to ship household items, you can combine them with your vehicle in the same container. However, container shipping is a little more expensive than RoRo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more international car shipping tips. Safe travels and enjoy your time in Antigua.